L.B. Pegson, Order of Augustinian Recollect, our school principal, Father Giovanni Hill A. Magbojos, Order of Augustinian Recollect, our assistant principal for Identity, Formation and Mission, Father Dexter D. Calagchosa, Order of Augustinian Recollect, Father Antonio Zavala Jr., Order of Augustinian Recollect, our distinguished guest, Mr. Eldridge O. Salamatin, lay administrator, faculty members, proud parents and guardians, and of course, my fellow graduates, a pleasant afternoon. To begin, I would like to congratulate all of these students. Today is the day to reap all the awards of all the efforts, wisdom, and dedications you have invested throughout the academic year 2023-2024. Congratulations! I am aware that each of us has our own story to tell here at Sacred Heart School. We have faced different battles, emotions, and victories during our school years. As we share our different stories, one thing we all have in common is that we've spent our best years here at Sacred Heart School of Cavite, and we will leave this school with full of knowledge, good conduct, pride, and dignity. We have worked hard to be here today, and now we have reaped the rewards of all the hard works as we achieve the pinnacle of our success. I must say that all the hard works, tears, doubts, sleepless nights, restless days, and sacrifices are finally worthwhile. However, none of these will be possible without the help and guidance of our school, teachers, parents, friends, classmates, and most especially, God. To Sacred Heart School of Cavite, Recoletos de Alfonso, we, students, are eternally grateful for the significant impact this school taught in our lives. This school taught us not just to be knowledgeable, but also to be a valuable students. My senior year here was an exquisite journey. I became the happiest. I gained accomplishments. I cried, and as the mother of course, I've learned plenty of lessons that will teach me to deal with the future circumstances. Deepest thanks, Sacred Heart School of Cavite. I sincerely thank my dear classmates and friends. Without you, I am not certain I would have survived this journey. Our unwavering support to each other helped us endure our senior years here despite all the difficulties we have encountered. Thank you for all the intimate bonds we've shared and for making those years tremendous and extraordinary. My heartfelt gratitude, classmates and friends. To the teachers, we will never forget the efforts you have dedicated to teaching us not just lessons, but also morals. We cannot thank you enough for the times you believed in us when we could not believe in ourselves. You illuminated our path to knowledge and shaped our future. You made an incredible mark on our lives as we dive into the next chapter. Certainly, you will be remembered. Of course, to our beloved parents, words will never be enough to express our deepest gratitude to you. You are the primary reason we have made this so far. You are the pillars of our strength and main source of our inspiration. You have given your sweat and blood just to send us to school to chase our dreams. Thank you for all the unseen sacrifices you made for us. You nourished and touched our hearts, molding us into beautiful souls with your everlasting love and care. You devoted your lives to raising a children with the endeavor to achieve their dreams. You have done so much for us, and we wish to repay your sacrifices someday. We will be forever grateful parents. Above all, to our Heavenly Father, God, none of this would be possible without Him. Thank you for the guidance you provide us each day. You fulfill our spiritual and emotional needs. Thank you for this momentous occasion as we achieve another milestones in our lives. Before I end, I would like to leave you with one of my favorite songs from Taylor Swift, Dorothea. The line is, I got nothing but well wishes for you. I truly wish that you may all achieve the desires, peace, and happiness you've ever wanted. I hope that as we take different paths and directions, you may find the best things for yourselves. Whatever you become, I hope it is what your heart truly desires. Go, chase your dreams. I know that we all have a bright future ahead of us. Best of luck to all the exciting adventures that awaits you. Until next time, and see you around Sacred Heights. Once again, congratulations. Long live Batch 2023-2024. Bravo, Sacred Heights.